Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Maytag washing machine and it won't turn on or doesn't seem to have power. So the first thing to check is kind of obvious. Just make sure that you're getting a proper electrical supply to the machine, i.e. is it plugged in into a grounded 3-prong outlet, and is the circuit breaker turned on. I wouldn't recommend don't use an extension cord. Some of those might not be able to carry the proper current for it to work. And then secondly, just make sure that the control lock is on. You might see it's a LOC or LC on the screen, and this just means that the machine is locked and it won't let you do anything. And if you have this, all you need to do is find that lock button and press and hold it for 3 seconds, and it should unlock it. And then you should and make sure you're not pushing on the words below, but you're actually pushing on the button. That should unlock it, and then you should be able to use your washing machine. Anyways, hope this video helped. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.